Hello folks, today I order my Marley Spoon first box, so I receive it. So this is the box, you can see Marley Spoon, my address, again Marley Spoon, and one table with fork and knife. Our box looks good and it's pretty much heavy. I don't know what's inside. I'm very excited to see. You can see the box itself has this tape. It's not made of usual plastic tape we used to have. I think this paper tape. Let's try. Yes, it's paper tape. Environment friendly, I hope. Let's see. I can use my hand only. Open the box. Okay, so one glass. Ding 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 ding. So box is open. So this is something in German. I think they're saying welcome or something like this. Okay, this is the recipe how to cook. You can see. Looks nice. Just keep it aside. Okay, so these are the recipe which I ordered. Okay, recipe 1, recipe 2. I know from the picture it looks quite delicious, but I don't know how I'm gonna to cook it. Maybe the picture will be different. Let's see. Wow, fresh vegetable. This is coriander leaves. Wow, looks really fresh. 10 grams. Okay. There's something else with some green. I don't know what it is. And also they mention all in German. I can't speak. I have one green onion. Okay. Okay. There are another one for coriander. Wow, good size of it. Ding ding ding. Down. This is bread. Potatoes. Have no idea of it. I order veg. Seems to be okay. This is beetroot. Okay. Some German vegetable. Okay, there is one bag as well. Lemon, onion, capsicum, bell pepper. Okay. This would be cream. This is cream. So this bag is for, I think this is for the cold item. Yes. This is cooling bag. And this is feta cheese. Mozzarella cheese. This is pizza. I think dough. We need to spread it out. Yes, need to spread. Yes, these are the sheets. Tomatoes. Okay, so I have tomato puree. Save my effort. And these are the, what is it? I think topping. Neggies. Okay. Wow. Already chopped. Salad. And now you can see the cooling bed which I mentioned. See, this is ice. And you can see no water, just moisture a little bit. Actually, I like the bag. The bag is good. And we have a small section here where we can find, okay, these are the, I think, seeds, sunflower seed, ketchup, okay, chickpeas, barbecue sauce, more sunflower seeds, and sweet corn. Yes, sweet corn. And what is it? I think this is a spice. Yes, chili. Chili powder. So box looks nice. Let me cook it up. Let's see how it's gonna be cooked. Thank you. Thanks for watching.